She took her camera out, she held it up and pointed in the direction that we saw this man, turned on the flash, she got the first photo, panned down, second photo, took a step back, and she put the camera up again, looking straight ahead of her. And in cue with the third photo, a rifle went off right behind us. It was a suppressed .556 rifle. And we both jumped in the air and shrugged. I could hear deer running through the brush. They were scared too. And I turned and looked at her and she said, "That was a rifle."
But let's be clear, you're on public land at that stage.
Public land, yes.
So that's, if there was a soldier, that's illegal.
Yes, absolutely illegal.
It's a crime.
Yes.
And so we ran.
It's illegal to hunt after sundown, and mind you, we were several hours off trail.
So what'd you do?
We ran.
You just ran
We
like
ran for it.
Which is what they wanted, obviously.
I believe so.